Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure you have the right permissions. Without project or Jira admin access, you can't change archive settings. Open the project now, then run a focused JQL to list the issues you intend to archive. For example, status equals done and resolution date 180D. Once done, review the results on screen to confirm the set. Make sure to note linked issues, attachments, and subtasks because they affect how cleanly those issues will archive. Next, you'll act on the filtered set. Use bulk change to select all relevant issues or save the JQL as a filter if you'll repeat this process. Before archiving, export the list as CSV or JSON. This is your safety copy. While exporting, make sure to include fields for comments, attachments, and issue links since those aren't always preserved when archiving. Once the backup is complete, proceed with the bulk operation or apply your archive policy to the selected issues. Finally, perform the archive action in project settings or using Jira's built-in archive tool. Follow prompts to remove issues from active boards. After archiving, verify by running your saved JQL and standard board filters to ensure those issues are excluded. Make sure search indexing is complete so results reflect changes. If issues still show up, check that your filters exclude archived content, ensure you reindexed if required, and confirm your account's permissions. That often resolves visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.